Okay, so Basil has arrived. There's a very, very small amount of food in there because I'd like to get another antibiotic in him. So he's having whatever's left that the cats haven't been eating. Oh no, there's a car coming. Is he going to run or is he going to stay put? Don't go far. Stay there, baby. That's all right, it's Jack over the road. He realises, so... Come here, Baz. Come on, mate. Here. It's okay. Baz, here. Come on. Here. Good boy. Yes, antibiotic in him. Happy days. It's right, Jack won't hurt you. Come on, my man. Good boy. How are you tonight? You feeling any better? Oh, your eyes looking a bit better, isn't it? Yes, definitely. It's okay. No, he's going to run off because... Oh, hello? Yeah, hold on. Right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, so Jimmy's come. He's over the road. Well, he's just out there on the road. And now he's out of sight. Pip was just out here coming down the road. No, he's totally... Oh, who's that? There's one over there as well. Come on then. Okay, that's Pip. Pip, Pip, Pip. Come on, baby girl. Okay, so that was Jimmy and Pip. They've both disappeared, I think. Oh no, I can still see one of them out there. Come on. Jim. Come on, baby boy. He's over there by the car, I think. Oh, he's over there now in the corner. Come on, Jimmy. Here. No, he's run off up the road now. Okay, this is very exciting. I'm going nowhere fast, aren't I? Right, I'm going to go... Oh, hang on, he's there again. Come on, Jim. Come on, my boy. You're not messing me around tonight, aren't you? Eh? Here we go, baby. Come on. Come on, then. Yeah. Where did Pip go? Why don't you bring her with you? Here we go. Jim. Come on, my boy. Good boy. He's getting quite good. Jimmy. Come on, baby boy. Oh, I can't see him now. Let me just stand up, see if he's out there still. Oh, there he is. Come on, my boy. Come on. Come on, then. Come on, Jim. Here. Good boy. You've got your legs crossed like that for. That was kind of dainty, wasn't it? One leg in front of the other. Bit of ballet. You're going to be doing a bit of ballet for us next, are you? Yeah? Okay, something or somebody's coming, so... Oh, it's a car. There we go then. That was Jimmy. Hopefully he'll be back soon. Slow down. Okay, slowed down as they got to the corner. Right, there we go. Norman is still outside. He's been out for the last, I don't know, 3 hours, 4 hours. But he's round to the left in front of the car in the little dog house that I made for the foxes. And I know he's out there because I keep going out with my torch on my phone. And I can see his eyes glistening, but he won't come in. So he's quite happy laid out there at the moment. Right, I'll see you again very soon, hopefully. Okay, so I just went and called Norman and asked him if he wanted some food. And there he is. Norman, you coming in? Norman, do you want dinner? Come on. Come on. Right, come on, young man. Yeah, you have a good stretch. You've been laid out there for ages, haven't you? I know. Kept checking to see where you were. Come on in then. Good boy. There we go. Right, that's Norman in. I'll get him some food. Just check that there's nobody around again. No, no sign of anybody. Right, wait to see who turns up next. See you soon. Okay, so Jimmy's back again. He's been up and down on the wall. Come on, mate. You coming? Jim. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's really hard work again at the moment. I don't know why. No, he's disappeared. Oh, he's over by the wall over the road. Now he's by the car. Over the road. You coming? Jim. Oh, hello, somebody's there as well. I think it might have been Pip. Right, I'm going to go and turn the lights off. Oh no, he's coming over now. Come on, mate. Come on, my boy. Where's your sister? Huh? Where's your sister? Is she coming? Jimmy, here. Oh, there's Pip over there, right? Let's see what happens. Come on then. Pip. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Right, so Jimmy runs and Pip is running too. Okay, they're just over there. I think that was the cars up on the main road. Come on then, baby boys and girls. Come on, Jim. Come on, mate. Come on, Jimmy. Here. I can't see Pip. I've just leant forward to see if I could see her. You good boy you are. Yes, you are. Aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, no sign of Cookie, no sign of Chip. Haven't seen Daphne. Basil, obviously we saw him briefly earlier on. I wish he'd come back there and have some food. I mean, there is food out in the bowls and I will be putting food out, all the chicken out for them as well. Let's see if Jimmy's still there. I think he's not far, he's just round there. Come on, mate. You coming? Pip. Jim. Come on, my baby boy. Come on. So he's not bothered by me standing up out here either. Come on, my man. Do you want some chicken then? Do you want to try chicken? Do you? Come on then. Good boy. Here then. Jim. Have a piece of this. Are you going to come back and eat some of that? He's just like so much like Chip with his actions. Takes a piece and runs. Good boy. No, he'd rather eat the sandwich than the chicken. What's going on there? Come on then, my baby boy. There we are. Come on then. Right, Pip's over there again in the road. She's just run off to the left. Come on then, my boy. Good boy. Right, Jim, do you want this? Yeah, Jimmy. No, he's got up and run. No, he hasn't run. He's gone up there, look. Come on. No, he's just up there. Okay, I might just sit in the porch and wait a few more minutes. I might turn the lights out then and see if Pip will come any closer as well. So fingers crossed. Hopefully I'll see you in a minute.